Well, I'm here at the back of my tractor and want to show you something I did. I didn't do that, but a bird did that. When I fuel my tractor up, typically I'll take the cap off and I'll lay it up here out of the way, fuel it up, and be done with it. Well, I always try my best to remember that that cap is up here. Pick it up, put it on. Well, I forgot it and had to go buy a new cap. Didn't think much about it until he told me how much it was. That cap is $34. I looked online. They were $32, $33 online. I couldn't even tell if it was exactly the right one. So here's something I did. Just put a little chain on it. Almost like a little old pocket watch chain, not much to it. Drilled a hole in it. Hard to get off. Drilled a hole through that, and then just looped a little piece of wire on it. And it's not meant to keep it on when I'm bouncing across the pasture, but only while I am fueling up. I can lay it over like that, fuel up, put this back on, and go about my business. So you might want to do that, because sooner or later you're going to lose your gas cap. That's not the first one I've lost, but I believe it is the first one on this Kubota. The other tractor was kind of a generic, didn't probably cost much. This one, did I mention it was $34 stinking dollars? $34. So, wouldn't hurt for you to do something like that. Learn from my lesson. I have found out a long time ago, if I learn from other people's mistakes, it costs me a whole lot less money. Consider that. Make you a chain, or a string, or whatever. Just don't let that thing run off. It's out in the pasture somewhere, because it was sitting up here when I went bouncing. It's gone now. Did I mention that was $34? Maybe I did. All right. Fix your gas cap with a chain or something. All right? All right. We're gone.